Are you attracted to a beautiful woman but are not sure how to make her want you sexually? You know the steps to give her mind-blowing orgasms, but you just cannot get her into the bedroom to fulfill her dreams. Although some guys automatically know the right things to say and do which create sexual tension, others have to learn the techniques which can make them irresistible to women. With a little bit of knowledge and some work will be able to create sexual tension. Genius is 1% inspiration, 99% perspiration. It takes practice to become an expert in all areas of life. Flirting is a great way to have fun and build attraction. Let her know you find her incredibly hot and what you would do with her if you got her alone. Have fun, make her laugh but intrigued. Emotions play an important factor with getting a woman to want you sexually. Make her feel like you want her and only her. Make her feel special and sexy. Honesty. Some guys think if they become friends first and try to become boyfriend later. Don't do this, honesty is always the best policy. If you want this woman sexually, then be clear with your intentions, tell her what you want and how you would like to please her. Many guys get stuck in the friends department for too long. Be clear from the start that you want her sexually. You can still be her friend, but now she knows that you find her attractive. Humor. Women love to laugh, and especially a guy who can make them laugh and does not take themselves too seriously. Play games, have fun, the chemistry between you will build and you will start creating sparks. Have fun with your time together, try not to focus too much on getting her into bed. When you create a real connection, she will not be able to keep her hands off of you. Create sparks, whisper in her ear things you would like to do with her later. This will build the anticipation and make her want you sexually. When you're thinking of attracting a woman, the worst thing which you want to accomplish would be to let her to treat you as simply a person to become friends with. And this is exactly what occurs to the majority of men when they want to date a particular woman. Rather than making a woman feel sexually drawn to them, they place themselves at the friend zone. You have to understand this truth fact: many girls won't ever sleep with a guy that they're friends with first. Therefore, you need to get the job done to make certain that you are not getting trapped in the friend zone. Remember, your actual motive is to be with her romantically and intimately. So, exactly what can you do to ensure that this kind of situation never occur, and also she starts to show sexual interest in you? Here are some strategies, which should provide help to you. Look directly into a woman's eyes in the way which a lover would. Women view a lot more than a guy does, while she's looking into a man's eyes. This is one area that many studies had come to the conclusion that it is very important when it concerns a woman's sexual attraction. You need to be capable of making your eyes appear seductive and irresistible to a woman, and look at her in such a way which no men ever would. Touch a woman in a soft and gentle, but sensual manner. Many men that end up become a friend with a girl only know how to hold a conversation with her. They do not adventure into the actual important part of generating that sensation by making use of their touch. You need to be capable of doing this, if you'd like her to feel and sense the burning desire of passion and lust with you in her thoughts and imagination.